All right, let's talk about completely transforming your freelance hustle. Today, we're going to break down how you can package your incredible skills into projects that are ready to buy so clients can hire you with literally a single click. You know that feeling, right? Spending hours and hours crafting the perfect proposal, bidding on jobs, and then just waiting. It is such a grind. But what if you could just flip that whole script and have clients coming directly to you? Well, that is the magic of Upwork's Project Catalog. Think of it as your own personal digital storefront, showcasing your best services 24/7. This is all about working smarter, not just harder. So, where do you even start? Well, the very first step is to nail down your perfect project idea. A successful listing, a really successful one, is always built on a fantastic, super well-defined service that plays right into your strengths. I want you to start by asking yourself this. What work do you actually genuinely enjoy doing the most? I mean, when you build a project around something you're really passionate about, that enthusiasm just shines through. And trust me, that leads to better work and way happier clients. Okay, now let's balance that passion with what the market actually wants. Take a look back at your past jobs. Is there one specific service or skill that clients are constantly asking you for? That right there, that's a huge clue about what you should be offering. So once you've got an idea, the real key is packaging it the right way. Your project has to be a fixed price offer and it needs to have crystal clear deliverables. You absolutely need great work samples to show off, and you've got to think, what makes my service unique? Why should they pick me?
Okay, idea in hand? Perfect. It's time to actually build out your project page. This is your big chance to make that amazing, professional first impression and start attracting your absolute ideal clients.
And please, do not underestimate the power of a great title. This is not the place for casual language or these long, rambling sentences. It needs to be clear, it needs to be professional, and it has to tell the client exactly what they're getting in just a few words. So keep your titles direct and professional. You want to avoid those casual phrases like, you will get, or I will. So instead of, I will write great SEO stuff for your blog, just state the service, SEO content writing. It's all about focusing on what it is, not what you will do. It sounds so much more confident. Next up, you're going to fine-tune the overview. Make sure you choose the most specific category possible. This is huge for helping the algorithm find you. Then you'll add up to 5 powerful search tags. A great little tip here is to think like a client. What words would they actually type into the search bar to find a service just like yours? All right, moving on to pricing, scope, and your gallery. This is the really important part where you define the value of what you're offering and, visually prove that you've got the skills to back it up. Offering tiers is such a fantastic strategy. It lets you cater to all kinds of clients with different needs and budgets. You can have a simple starter package, a really well-rounded standard option, and then a premium advanced tier for those clients who want the absolute best. This whole structure just makes buying from you so much easier. And for each one of those tiers, you have to be crystal clear. Set your delivery time, state exactly how many revisions are included, and offer some valuable add-ons like extra fast delivery. This is so crucial for managing a client's expectations and preventing that dreaded scope creep down the line. Okay, I need you to pay close attention to this next part because Upwork themselves say it's one of the biggest reasons projects get rejected: the gallery. Your gallery is your visual portfolio, and honestly, it is non-negotiable. You have to use high-quality images, videos, or PDFs of your absolute best work. So you've built the project, you've set the price, you've polished your gallery. Now it's time for the final step, the launch and the management. Let's take a look at what happens right after you hit that submit button. And hey, don't just stop at one. You can have up to 20 different active projects in your catalog. I mean, this is how you can really start to diversify your offerings and scale your entire freelance business. So after you submit, the review process is pretty simple. First, Upwork's team checks it over for professionalism. If it all looks good, boom, it's approved and it goes live. If not, you'll just get a needs changes email with specific feedback so you know exactly what to fix before you resubmit. No guesswork. And here is a super crucial final tip. Once your project gets approved, it automatically becomes visible to clients. It's switched on. So if you're not quite ready to take on orders, or maybe you're going on vacation, just pop into your settings and toggle the visibility off. You are always in control. And there you have it. That's your guide to building an amazing digital storefront on Upwork.
It is such a powerful way to take control of your freelance career. So really, the only question left is, what will you build first?